Okay, after you're done greasing your pan, you turn this batter, it's called batter after all the mixture, you turn it into each pan. Now you do it in bits, so if you get to do everything at once, it will be too much and it may not bake really well, so you have to do everything in bits. Okay, you spread it. Okay, do same for the next. Spread it for the last. Ensure you spread it evenly. All right, so after spreading, your cake is ready to bake. So you take it into the oven you had already preheated. Before you bake, ensure to preheat your oven for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, and you have to bake on low heat. So now we're good to go.